Okay. Speed.
At first, they were little worm-like blobs. It was hard to see, but we saw a universe of possibilities. Of course, many things went wrong. A welding machine exploded, nozzles got stuck, and the robot got disoriented. But then, they became long lines, complex curves, and double-curved oval tubes. It was like drawing in midair. And after endless testing, we were able to speed up the process and produce this complex sculpture of lines. And now, we are ready for the ultimate poster project, to test all facets of this highly promising printing technology. A large-scale object that is functional and meaningful. We are going to print the steel bridge in Amsterdam.